Oh. First bass with the bass puzzle. I don't know, it's a little weed patch and there's some shad around it, and I just caught two small ones on my square bill, but threw this bass puzzle through it. Got a little spunk shad on it. It's a IU color. I think it's the closest thing to my green pumpkin shad that I like in my jackhammers. Bee hide special spunk. That's getting better. It's not get bitter, it's get better. Oh my God. Check that out. On the bass puzzle, a big old crappie, about 3 foot of water. Say on the bass puzzle, that that's pretty cool. So this is it. It's called a grass piece. Said it's supposed to be the new and improved chatterbait to strike. Said it's got a subtle little action I could see in the fall. Yeah, so I caught one bass on it. They're made in Japan. So the guy who makes them, he makes all of them by hand. It's not a factory produced bait, so they can be tough to get a hold of. They've been around for over a year, but this is what it is. It's like a hybrid between a chatterbait and a spinnerbait. It kind of reminds me of the old tornado, which that was a great fall bait for me, but like I said, it caught me at least one fish today. If you catch one fish per bait you bought, I guess you might have done all right.